Hi, I'm Marcia from Mima Wisdom Coaching, and we're talking about surviving failure and success. And today's tip is inner practices drive outer practices. Whatever you have going on inside of you, anger, abandonment, hurt, whatever you have that's driving you inside, that is what's going to come out for people to see outside. And that absolutely has a significant impact on your failures and your successes and how well you survive them. How the people around you are able to spend time with you during successes or failures. Because whatever's on the inside is driving what you're doing on the outside. You'll notice if you look back over all of these episodes, there are 29 episodes in this particular playlist. And that's because there's so much, so critically important is this idea of success and failure in our lives. And they're not opposites. They're very much similar. And how we deal with them is often very similar. But becoming both more comfortable with them on the inside as well as on the outside is really going to change the frequency of the successes and the failures. And again, you want increased failures, because if you're getting increased failure, you're getting increased success. That's just the way that mathematical formula works.